Okay.
Hej. Isabella er sådan
Jo.
Britney Spears med Lucky. Vi ved, I elsker den. Derfor giver vi jer
Ja,
den.
det er til, fra os til alle jer, vores
Ja.
fans.
Tag det først også.
Ja. This is a story about a girl named Lucky.
Yeah.
Early morning, she wakes up, knock, knock, knock on the door. It's time for makeup, perfect smile, you are waiting for. Isn't she lovely, this Hollywood girl? And they say she's so lucky. She's so smart. Cries in the lonely, heartbreaking. If there's nothing missing in my life, then I do. These tears come at night, lost in image, in a dream, but there's no one here to wake her up. And the world is spinning, and she keeps on winning. But tell them what happens when it stops. They go, she isn't she lovely, this Hollywood girl. And they say she's so lucky. She cries, sings a lonely heartbreaking. If there's nothing missing in her life, then why do these tears come at night? Yeah. Oh. And the winner is Lucky. Oh. Isn't she lucky, this Hollywood girl? She is so lucky, but why does she cry? If there is nothing missing in her life, why does tears come at night? As they say, she's a star, but she cries in her lonely heart again. If there's nothing missing in her life, then why do these tears come at night? She's so lucky.
Tak.